Hi guys, hello everyone. A warm welcome to you all to the Shri Gosalites gift classes, everyone. Here I am your faculty, MOHIT MITTAL for physics, everyone. Welcome you all to the class. Hi guys. Hello Nara. Baunda. Naku sa cheppo. Hi guys, hi everyone. So, how was the last class, everyone? Tell me. How was the last class? Tell me the chat box. Bagundi. Bagundi. Super. So, do you all remember things, guys? If I ask you all little about the slopes, what we were studying about slopes, right, guys? Okay. So, some of you are asking, what is my name? I guess some of you might be new. Okay. So, bache, here, my name is MOHIT MITTAL. I'm going to teach you physics, bache. Okay? I'm going to physics. I teach you physics. In the last class, we were doing a topic by the name of slope, right, guys? Matlab it comes under graph. We were studying about the graphs, and in the graphs, the first topic that we were studying was slope, because slope is the first thing that we should understand, and then only we can move forward. Yes, Faizan, that is what we are going to talk about. Don't worry. All of your random doubts are there. That will be taken care of. Okay, bache? Hey, who is this asking? Sir, you are girl or boy? Kya re? Mindless person. Come here. Let's start the studies. Okay. Hi, beta. Hi, Naveen. Hello, Redmi. Vivol, so Xiaomi. Arey, beta, you should put your own name. Chalo, hi Faizan. Chale, start karenge. Okay. Shall we start the class, everyone? Give me a quick thumbs ups, everyone. I want you all thumbs ups quickly in the Zoom call or in the YouTube. Let me know quickly. Are we ready to start the class or not? Okay. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Thank you all for so much of love of yours. Okay, guys. Let's start the class. And also, I hope you have met your chemistry and biology teacher, right? Divya ma'am, Akada lady boss, and Raman sir also you have met. Class was super. Enjoyed, guys? Wow. Yes, that is what I told you. You are going to have super fun in the class with lots of learning, beta, with lots of learning, and that you will find only in Shri Gosalites. Okay? Chaliye, guys. Shall we start the class? Okay. So, bache, let's do a quick revision. Okay? We are going to start the class with a very quick revision over here. Okay, bache? So first of all, let's do a quick revision of the last class over there. So I told you one point, bache, slope. Slope is equal to, bacha, m. That is equal to what, beta? Tan theta. That is equal to what, beta? Tan theta. Correct, bache? Yes. So what do we have? We have over here one result, slope equals to m, and that is equal to tan theta. And bache, we always, if we have over here graph here, so bache, this is a line. This is your y-axis. This is your x-axis. We measure angle always from positive x-axis. And in which direction your angle is taken to be positive? Tell me quickly, guys. In which direction angle is taken to be positive? Yes, it is taken to be positive in anti-clockwise, or you can say anti-clockwise direction. Wonderful, bache. Wonderful. To always measure angle from plus x, and we will always say when angle is in positive x, taken from positive x in anti-clockwise, then angle will be taken as positive. Can the slope be negative or positive? Both possible. Slope can be negative also, slope can be positive also, slope can be zero also. This is also what we saw in the last class. Also, guys, then if you remember, I gave you some tricks. Right, beta? The tricks, MMT, full form, Mohit Mittal sir trick. Right, guys? So when I gave you some tricks, so over there, I told you 3 type of graphs are there generally. So let us say here we have these type of curves in front of us. Okay? These are the type of curves we have over here. So guys, I told you over here, slope is going to be, in this case, slope is going to be what? It is takeoff. Slope is going to be taken as positive value. Slope will be taken as positive value. Wonderful. Here slope will be what, beta? What the slope going to be over here? Yes, here in this case, 0. And bacha party, over here, if you see carefully, here slope will be negative because it is a landing graph. It is which graph? Landing graph. Slope will be negative. Here it is takeoff graph. It is positive. And it is negative over here. Right, bache? Then tarvata, I told you how to write the value of slope. I told you slope will be equal to plus minus tan of small angle. Right, guys? A smaller angle with the x-axis. Then I told you we will take m plus minus tan of small angle. Let us say here small angle will be theta. Here this will be your taken your small angle. Hana? Here we will take this angle as a small angle. This is what your tricks were told or not, beta? Correct, bache? That is how I told you the tricks or not? Hana, bache? Correct. All the doubts coming, we will take care of that. Don't worry, Abhi. Just I'm going to quickly revise the results. Then we'll move forward for your doubts also. Okay, beta. Up now here. So in this case, we have now one more graph. With that, we have one more graph now. We have y and x axis over here, and let us say this is how the graph look like. Let us say this is how the graph look like. Okay. Let us say this is how the graph look like. So in this scenario, what you will say? What is this particular angle now, beta? Tell me here. What is this particular angle? Everyone in the chat box, be active. Rather than talking to here and there, talk to me in the chat box. Okay, only to me. Wonderful. So it is going to be how much? 90 degrees. So if I ask you about the slope, slope will be tan 90 or not? Yes or no, beta? Now you tell me what is the value of tan 90? Yes, you know, guys. You will say, sir, it is not defined, or you will say infinity, or you will say what, beta? Infinity. So over here, what is the slope we are going to write for it? Infinity. So bache, whenever slope is, this line is, slope is parallel to x-axis, we will take slope to be 0. Whenever this line is parallel to x-axis, we will take slope to be 0. And when the line is perpendicular to x-axis, mathematically we will say slope is tan 90, that is infinite. Which is, yes, generally people take as not defined, but here in physics we are saying it is like infinity. Ardhamainda everyone? So many of you might have a doubt of what if it is a line perpendicular to x-axis, then bache, answer we are going to write as infinity over here. Okay, bacha? Chaliye. Shall we move forward or not? Pakka? Okay. So these are the small results being discussed with you all in the previous class. Now guys, we are going to move forward and understand more about it. Okay? But before that, let's do some question, kids. Okay? So before that, let's do some question, bache. So kya given hai? Question is given like that. Here, there is a line going. Okay? There is a line going. An angle is given as your 45 degree. What is the slope for it? What is the slope for it? Quickly. What is the slope of it? Yes, kids. Wonderful. Yeah. Slope is going to be, is it your takeoff means positive, tan of 45. The slope is going to be how much, beta? Plus 1. The slope over here, we are going to write it as what, beta? Plus 1 over here. Okay? Chalo. Now let's move on to the next example. You tell me over here, this angle is given as 150 degree. This angle is given as 150 degree. So what is the slope over here? Chalo, tell me quickly, guys. What is the slope over here? Wonderful. Is this graph landing or takeoff? This graph is landing. and whenever the graph is landing, what we write? Sign minus. And we take which angle, beta? We take acute angle or obtuse angle? We always take acute angle. अब acute angle कितना है बेटा? What is this angle going to be? 30 degrees. So this angle will be minus tan 30. Correct? And tan 30 will be minus 1 by root 3. That is going to be minus 0.58. That is going to be bacha minus 0.58. Ardhamainda? In the last class I told you also 1 by root 3 is very important value. Asked in your NEET exam directly. In JEE mains also. Many questions are there with that values. Okay. One kid is saying, sir, stop saying bacha and beta. Okay. So what should I say you beta? Uncle, दादाजी, हैं, आंटी, क्या रे? यार, चचा, चचा इज हियर, चचा. चलो यार, ठीक है. Let's come on to the studies बेटा, है ना? Let's not distracted from these things. Let's focus on the study. पक्का? चलो. So here, what is happening? It is going down. Down means minus sign, decreasing. Slope is landing. So it is minus beta. And then tarvata, we are saying tan of your chinna angle. Chinna angle is over here 30. So minus tan 30. Tan 30 is given as 1 by root 3 equal to minus 0.58. This is how we write it, guys. Okay, bache? Chalo. Let's move forward for the next part here. So till now we have seen some straight lines only. But is it compulsory that lines या curves will be only straight line? Can't it be? Can't it be your line like this or not, guys? Anna, is it possible or not, beta? Anna, beta? हाँ बेटा फैजान, tell me, is it possible or not? कि we have graphs like this. We can have one more graph. So we may have a graph like this. We may have a graph like this also or not similarly. So we may have one graph going like this also, beta. है ना बच्चे? And we may have a graph in this manner also or not. So basically we can have these type of graphs also now. So here, how to compare the slopes. So basically now the topic that we are going to see is comparison of the slope. Okay? First of all, we will understand what is the magnitude of slope, and then we will compare it also. We will compare with sign also, and we will compare only the magnitude also. Two things we are going to do. Slope will have signs, plus and minus sign. So we will compare slope with the sign also, and we will compare magnitude only of the slope also. You understanding or not, बच्चे? बोलो बेटा. ठीक है. Shall we start? चलो आ जाओ guys. So basically this is what we are now going to study about the slopes part here. ठीक है? This is what we are going to study. That is about the slopes part here. So heading will be comparison of slope. Okay, comparison of whom beta? Slope over here. But moving forward in for curved path, I am having some questions here. I am having some questions over here. Let us say there are two curves here. This is your curve graph number 1, and this is your graph number 2. One angle is 30 degrees, another angle is 60 degree. Can you see this particular angle 30 degrees, this particular angle 60 degrees? We have to identify here option number A. Option number OKT, M1 is more than M2. Option M1 less than M2, the rendu M1 less than M2. Mudu, third option M1 more than M2. Oh, sorry, equal to M2, my mistake. Here we have these options. We have to identify which slope is going to be more over here. Okay, this is what we have to identify here, whose slope is going to be more over here. So when we check When we check here, we have to find M1 and M2 and then we will be able to compare. And then don't worry, all the tricks, all the MMTs will come very soon, okay, by the end of the lecture, where you will be able to understand each and everything. So if I ask you, is M1 going to be your plus tan 30 guys, that is 1 root 3, and beta M2 will be plus tan 60, that is plus root 3 or not bache, है ना beta? So if we see over here carefully, this value is 0.58, this value 1.732, and it must be visible to you that slope of 1 is less than slope of 2 or not beta? Is it easily visible to all? The slope of 1 is less than slope of 2. And how we got to know? By comparing. Here this angle is 30, here this angle is 60, so it is tan 30 0.58, tan 60 1.732, which is root 3. So obviously M1 is less than M2. So what is the right answer going to become beta? Option number 2 means M1 is less than M2. Okay, M1 is less than M2. Ardhamainda? Up. What if I say you that you guys have just now done one PYQ? Will you be excited or not? Just now you saw a NEET PYQ from your syllabus of class 11th or syllabus of class 12th. How? Let me tell you that. How? Let me tell you that. Before that, I want you all to do one more problem. I want you all to do one more problem, guys. Can you tell me M1 by M2 value? Can you tell me the value of M1 by M2? You have one more question over here on the screen, bache. Find me the value of M1 by M2. Yes, you all can do that. You have the values. You have to let me know M1 by M2. Easy problem. Yeah, wonderful job everyone. So basically here M1 came 1 by root 3, M2 came root 3, the value came bache 1 by 3. Value came bacha. So here if we are see what is the ratio of slope, that is also coming as what beta? 1 by 3. Ana? It is 1 by root 3 divided by root 3. So root 3, 3. So it is 1 by 3. Ardhamainda? So here two questions like this can be framed or not. Let's see its example from your class 12th, which you have seen little in your classes. I hope everyone know V equal to IR or not. Do you know that V equal to IR? 100%. If I say this is your VI curve, then bache this particular line slope is given as R. Then it is given as R. If it is a VI curve, then bache this line slope is given as what beta? R. Okay, this is the data. If you know, very good. If you don't know, don't worry. I am telling you, we will study about it in physics detailed manner. Okay, in the next class only I will make how you will to know. So if we have VI curve here, there is one graph and there is another graph. Number 2, angle here given as your 30 degrees, here angle given 60 degrees. Question mein they are asking, find ratio of resistance of 1 by resistance of 2. What is the ratio of resistance of 1 by resistance of 2? That is the question. But I am able to read some of the messages. I will be very honest with you. I am able to read messages, but not more because I am focusing on teaching also little bit. That's why. So, bache, have you all just done this question? Have you all just done this question or not? If you see over here, R1 value will be equal to slope or not? Here R is nothing but slope. So slope of this one number is tan 30 Slope of second curve is what beta? Tan 60. If we divide it, what the answer going to come? 1 by 3. And we did this question just before. Anna, we did this question just before or not? Anna bache? Or question can be asked to compare also. Is R1 going to be less than R2 also or not? Slope. We just did this question on the previous slide. Here, we just did this question. Same data given. But here, what is given? V and I given. What is given now, beta? V and I given. Right or no, bache? So here, slope of 1 is less than slope of 2. Ardhamainda? Everyone? You got an idea or not how the question comes? Pakka? The question was like this, beta, कि we have a VI curve. Two figures are given. Two lines are made. You have to compare कि whose resistance is more. Whose resistance is more. Or you have to find the ratio of resistance. Or you have to find the ratio of resistance. Okay, that is how the question came. Okay, beta? This is what the question. Okay, Shivani? I hope you got the question. Okay. This you have questions in physics which you deal with the help of slope method. Now, bache, moving forward. So when we have next one, guys. Here, beta, two lines are given. Keep in mind. This angle is given 120 degrees. This angle is written here 150 degrees. This is curve number 1. This is curve number 2. This is y-axis, x-axis. You have to tell me M1 is less than M2, M1 equal to M2, or M1 more than M2. This is your Okati, Rendo, Mudu. Or fourth option, Sthai Kiminchi. Or fourth option, Sthai Kiminchi, guys. Let's see. Don't worry, Moon. That thing will also be made easy for you. Don't worry. Now this is the time to think and give me the answer. What about the slope? So we are getting some answers in option 1 and we are getting some answers in option 3 also. Okay. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. Some answers are 1, some are 3. Let's see what the right answer. Shall we? Everyone given their thought process? Hanji bache? Everyone? All those whose videos is on? Yes or no? Netra, given thought? Wonderful. Okay. So let's see this. Beta, if I see here, what is the slope of 1 going to be? What is the slope of 1 going to become, beta? If you see carefully, is it going to be my landing curve? So minus. Ana beta? And minus what, beta? How much angle will it be? Chinna angle will be 60 degree or not? So minus tan 60, that is minus root 3. That is bache minus 1.732. Is it correct, everyone? Yes or no? Then we talk about M2 bacha. That is also your landing curve. That is minus, and this angle will be, if I am not wrong, going to be 30 degree or not? Ana bache? So this is going to be minus of tan 30. Minus 1 by root 3, and that is minus 0.58. Up here, which value is less? Tell me, guys, which value is less? Think. You have to compare with the sign. Anna, you have to compare with the sign. If you see here, the value near to 0 will be more. है ना बेटा? तो this value is less, this value is less and this is more because of the sign. The sign. तो बच्चे here what we can write from this data, we understood over here बच्चे क्या that M1, that what बेटा? M1 is less than M2. M1 is less than M2 means which option is coming correct बच्चे? Option number 1. Which option just came correct beta? Option number 1. Tell me honestly, how many of you got correct option number 1? Give me emoji in form of heart. Quickly. All those who have got option, give me emoji in terms of heart. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you. Anna, you can see we have to compare the slope with sign now obviously. So here what we have done comparison of slope with sign. We have done the comparison of slope with what beta? Sign. Ardhamainda, everyone, we have done the comparison of slope with what beta over here? Sign over here. Yes, I hope it would be clear. So like that questions can be made. So many of us may think M1 more than M2, but is it so? No, M1 is less. We can check it once more. कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या क्वेश्चन में? Here is a mistake. Here is a mistake. No one catched it. Mistake. You tell me, guys. What is this? Quickly think. Is this angle will be more? This angle should be 150 now, and this angle should be 120 now. You see, this should be more angle or not? Mistake hai. Listen here carefully. We have a graph here like this. We have a graph here like this. You think, is this angle more? So beta, this angle will be 150. This angle will be anta 120. That's the mistake. So no one catched it. You need to catch it. So here, if you see, what is this angle? 150. What is this angle beta? 120. That's the issue. So sometimes you have to catch it by applying brain. You can't be just like that. So this is 30, this is 60. This was 1, this is 2. So beta M1 will be anta. M1 will be anta minus tan 30. That is minus 0.58. M2 will be anta minus tan 60. That is minus 1.732. So bache, what is happening here? Your M1 is coming more than M2 if you compare with sign. If you compare with sign. You got it or not? Got it not? So think like that. What is this angle bache? 150. What is this angle? 120. You can see this angle should be more and this angle should be less. So here what we are getting, M1 to be 0.58, M2 will be minus 1.732, and if we see now M1 is more than M2. Now you will see M1 is what beta? More than M2. Ardhamainda? So basically option number 3 was only correct. You may say the data was given like that. Okay, the data is being corrected now. Data is being now corrected. Up now. Priyansh, here data was given like that. Don't worry for that. Ab chalte hain aage. Next, see here. If we have a question like this, if we have a question now like this is your curve given. We have to compare the slope. Option 1, always increasing. Option 2, always decreases. Option 3, first increase, then decrease. Option 4, first decrease and then increase. Beta, we have a question like that कि compare the slope here. Ab, is it your a curve type graph or not? What is it, guys? It is a curved body or not? Like many of you were asking when we are going to talk about curved. So this is now we are going to understand what bodies, beta? Curved bodies. So we have 4 options that we have. So we should now understand how to compare values. Ready? Everyone, give me thumbs up. Ready, everyone? So beta, if we see what is the meaning of slope, so for getting a slope, what we need to do, we need to make one tangent. What we need to do, guys? We need to make one tangent. So beta, we have to make one what? Tangent on the points. So what we are doing, we are comparing. So we will assume some point. Step 1, assume some points over here, guys. Okay, what are we doing? Assuming some points here. Let us say point number 1. Let us say point number 2. Let us say point number 3. Or we can say it as A, B and C. How many points will we assume? 3 points. One is A, one is B, and another one is what? C. So 3 points we have assumed. Okay? We have assumed 3 points named as A, B, C. And now we are making some tangents. We are making some tangents. What are we making, guys? We are making some tangents. So bache, what we are doing, we made 3 points on the graph and we made 3 tangents. Ab now, if I ask you all, what is this slope? If I ask you, what is this slope? Is it positive? Is it 0 or is it negative? What is this slope? Tell me, guys. Beta, A, B, C are just some point. Okay. So this slope, MA, is which value? Positive. Ana, MA is which value, beta? Positive. Then beta, what is the answer for MB? What is the slope of B? Wonderful. 0. We have seen the trick in the last class. What is the slope for C? What is the slope for C? Is it negative or not? So bacha, if you see over here, initially slope is positive. Then slope become 0. Then slope become negative. So bache, is the slope always decreasing or not? Is it always decreasing or not? Think guys, what is happening here? We are going from positive to 0, matlab decrease or not, guys? And then tarvata, we are again going from 0 to negative values. That is also decrease only or not? So what is the answer coming? So answer coming as always decreasing. So answer coming as what, beta? Always decreasing. Ardhamainda, because slope can be positive, slope can be negative, that's why. So here in this case, initially, what is the slope? Positive. Then became 0. Then became negative. So is it going from high value to less value or not? So it is always decreasing. So bache, we have compared the slope and slope with sign. We are comparing slope. Slope and the sign is also there, na beta? So we are comparing with sign. How many of you understood? Tell me now. Yes, beta. Understood, everyone? Both sides? See bache again. Here slope is positive. Here slope 0. Here slope negative. So positive to 0 decrease. 0 to negative value also decrease. Ana? So that's how we can say here the slope is always decreasing. But dekhna. Decrease, then also decrease. where increase came. Where increase came. Understood? And now I will tell you a trick also after one more question. But before that, shall I give a question for you to attempt? Some students are asking why not third. Anna Arshia. Think beta once. Is anywhere written increase? Is it increasing or decreasing? You see now. Value of slope, tangent, value, slope, value, positive, then 0, then negative. So it is decreasing only, na beta? Now see. I am going to give you one more problem for you all. Now I would love you all to give the answer. Compare the slope. Compare the slope. Option 1, same. Always increase. Option 2, always decrease. Option 3, first increase, then decrease. Option 4, first decrease, then increase. Let's see now. How many of you get the answer? You should think like the same manner in which you have done the previous one. Think in the same manner like you have done in the previous one. Okay? Think like that. Okay. So many answers have started come up. And in this, what should I say? YouTube, so there is a line of answers coming, and same there in your Zoom call also. Wow, wonderful response, guys. I'm so overwhelmed to get your response. Thank you. Mother, you all are active to give the answers. Shall I give it? Anna, shall I start discussing? Okay. So we will take now 3 points. First, before, then here, and then over here. So we have got 3 points, A, B, C. Now we will make one tangent here, tangent here, tangent here. Anna? Then only we can find slope. So we will make what beta? Tangent. Tangent, tangent, tangent. Up now guys, what we are having? Slope of A over here. Is it landing? Landing guys? Anna discussed yesterday. It is negative. Slope of B. Slope of B. Is it 0? Slope of C. Is it positive value or not? So bache, what is happening? We are moving from -2 to 0. -2 means increase. And then 0 to positive value also increase. Matlab here also increase, here also increase. So answer always increase. And guys, good job. Many of you were giving the same answer. Means you have understood the logic. Means you have understood the logic. So are you guys happy that you have understood the logic over here? Tell me quickly. Monisha, tell me quickly. Pakka? Ardhmainda everyone? Okay, I'm watching the chat box. Yes, you all are active. Matlab you are understanding. Chalo, good job. Today I will be able to sleep easily. We'll have a baby sleep, thinking that my bacha party got the answers. Anna, my tamdos, my chelis are getting the answers. Okay. Now, what if I tell you I have a super trick for you? I have a super trick for you. You will not have any issue. Just by seeing, you can give me the answer. Ready for the MMT or not? So is it the time for MMT? Shall we be ready, everyone? Aajao. Chalo. You tell me guys one thing. Whenever you guys are happy, so how does your face become? Whenever you guys are happy, your face become like this or not? Is it my happy face or not, guys? Hana beta? Whenever we have a happy face, what happens to our inside body, our growth? Does it increase or not? Does it always increase or not? Think guys. Hana? So whenever we are happy, our life go up, our life go up always. ठीक है, तो बेटा whenever you are going to get this type of graph, means happy graph, slope of your life will be always increasing. Slope of your life will be always increasing. You can see this graph. You can see this graph. Is the graph same or not? Tell me, guys. So whenever, guys, you are going to be happy in life, matlab like this part of graph will be there, graph will be always, slope will be always increasing. Aaya maja? Bolo re. Did you had fun? Understanding? Super na? Ready for one more? Bolo bolo. Ready for one more or not? Ho jaye? One more. Sir, we want one more trick. Chalo bhai, no worries. Let's see. Sir, what if I have my face in this manner, sir? What is this graph? Is it sad face? It is which face? Sad face. Whenever, guys, you are sad or someone near you is sad, life go up or life go down? Tell me, life go up or down? Krishna saying, sir, going up. Kya re? Arey nahi yaar. So whenever we are happy, it goes up, and whenever we are sad, life go down. That's why everyone say, do any work, but do with a smile. Positivity will come. God will be super happy, and they will give blessings to those. I can tell you one thing with that example only, beta. Here only I can tell you कि बच्चे, like a small kid is there, very small kid is there. If a kid is smiling, ha ha ha, joyful, you all will go near that boy. Correct? I mean, correct? And if there's a boy who is just crying only, so will you go to that kid? You will love to play with that kid who is always smiling, laughing. Hai? Is it reality or not? Tell me truth, guys. Hai? Reality only. Hai? Similarly, guys, I'm telling you, God also come to those who are always smiling. All your dreams will be fulfilled. All your dreams will be fulfilled if you are always smiling. Inside what is happening doesn't matter. Fake it. I'm telling you, moment will come in your life that every time, success will come to you, but you have to be smiling. You will go up. You will go up. Here. Now, let's say sad. Sad mein slope will be what, beta? Always decreasing. Beta, sad mein answer is always decreasing. Hai na? Always decreasing. So, bachche, if you see here, we did this question. Is it sad curve or not? Sad. Answer, always decreasing. Here, we saw, it is which face? Happy face. So what is the answer came? Always increase. Correct? Answer came what, beta? Always increase. Ab now, I am going to give you different type of problems. I'm going to give you different type of problem, and let's see what is going to be the answers. It is X. Beta, this is the graph. Beta, this is the graph. Batao, what is happening to the slope? What is happening to the slope? Is it increasing or is it decreasing? You think it is part of which smile? Sad smile? Yeah, it is a part of your happy smile. Socho. Think like that, answer will come orally only. It's a part of happy smile. Hai na? Part of happy part na beta. It is which part? Happy part. So answer will be increasing. Answer will be increasing. Aaya answer? Yes or no? Answer came or not, guys? And that too instantaneously. Now will you see the question and give the answers onward? Hai na? Slope is increasing. Let's see next. Here, you tell me this type of graph given. What is the slope? What is the slope? Increasing or decreasing? Think it is which emoji? Think it is which emoji? It is part of happy graph or sad? Yes, it's a part of happy one. Happy one, like this. Happy graph, है ना? Like this. You sit like this in front of the mobile to see the lecture, and then you sleep also. So it is which part? Happy. Happy part में slope will be increasing. It is increasing. Pakka na? You can see over here. Only this part of graph given. Only this part of graph increasing. Only this part of graph increasing. Total like this given increasing. Ardhamainda, are you all happy with the tricks also? Anna? So this is your trick over here. Okay, this is your trick over here. Chalo. Now moving on to the next one. Now tell, what is the slope of this curve? Tell me the slope of this curve. Tell me the slope of this curve quickly. Yes. Now you don't have to do anything. Brain application. Decrease. Reason? It is which phase? Sad phase. It is which phase? Part of sad phase. Answer come, decrease. Sad hoga to you will go down, answer game. Khattam. Finish. One more. One more. Follow by with your expression. One more. One more is there. Tell me this question. Okay. One more is like this. Now what is the slope? Now again. What is the slope? Increasing, decreasing. First increase, then decrease. What is the answer coming? Yes, bacha. It is coming as decrease. So many of you were asking me in the beginning of the lecture, sir, what if it is curved? Aa gaye answers. All the answers came. If it is increasing, decreasing, what will happen? So you just remember like that. But Moksha, wait. I will tell your doubt. I'm telling you, any doubt which can erupt in future, that answer I will tell right now only. But you have to just be little bit understand. Acha, one more thing. Please tell me, is my speed okay for you? Or it is slow, or it is fast? Tell me. Okay na? Okay. Normal hai, theek hai, perfect hai. I guess that will be perfect speed. I may go fast also, I may go slow also. Depends on you. I guess online lecture mein there is little bit of gap because I cannot see your expressions. So there is a gap always in these online lectures. Maja to will come in the class when you will be there in front of us offline. You will be talking to us, we'll be talking to you, interacting each other. You will be speaking, I will be speaking, we will have interaction. You may roast me, I may roast you with the answers. Ana beta? Ab now Shravya, those are also possible when we will discuss that. But here, when we did this trick, so this trick mein what we are doing, we are comparing slope. Here in this part, what we all did, are we comparing with sign na? Plus value, zero value, negative value, है ना? तो over here, बच्चे, we are comparing the slope with sign. So this trick is applicable when we are comparing what? When we are comparing with signs, है ना? Yes, beta, I will be taking junior classes, ठीक है ना? So obviously, I will be also teaching. Many other teachers will also be teaching. Okay, don't worry for that. So here we are comparing slope with what beta? Sine over here. Okay? That is a thing to be kept in brain, guys. Okay? So this trick is valid. So here also we have compare with sine or not. Here comparison of slope with sine. Okay? With sine. So compare the slope with sine. So basically, obviously, we are comparing. We are comparing with what only? With sine. So we have compared here slope with signs here. Faizan, wait. Those type of questions will come, but where? Let me tell you, beta. Okay? वेट फॉर दैट। तो यार ये विद साइन है बेटा, है ना। तो वी हैव कंपेयर्ड विद साइन। अब मैनी टाइम इन फिजिक्स, many time in physics, some graphs will be like this, may come like this, part may come. Yes or no, guys? You tell me, this type of graphs are possible? Yes, any type of graphs are possible, guys. Any types of graphs are possible. ठीक है, तो this is a one type of graph coming. Now what do you think? Slope. Compare slope with sines. So nothing mentioned, so obviously if nothing mentioned, slope means with sign only. So what do you think happening over here now? Tell me, guys. Sir. Increase always, decrease always, first increase then decrease, and lighted options may be present. So over here, is it happy part or sad part? This is sad part. And if we focus over here, this is happy part. So here slope increase, here slope decrease. So beta first decrease then increase. Are you getting it or not? Circle type of things will come in some days, है ना, one day after tarvata we'll be discussing about that part also. So what is happening? This is your sad curve, this is your happy curve. So first it will decrease and then it will increase. And here what we have done, we have compared the slope with sine. Ana beta, we have compared the slope with sine. Okay, so first decrease then increasing is the answer. So why should not do by lines? Beta dekh, I have made it more easier with the without lines. If you want to compare with the line, you can compare that also. Ana, you can compare with that also. If you want to do with the without trick method, you can do that. Let me tell you this answer without trick. Bolo bhai, normal method. What you will do? What is the slope at A point? What is the slope at B point? I'm telling you method number 2. Slope at A point is here positive or not? Ana dekho. If you see here carefully, what is happening from here to here? Here to here. And then if you see here, multiple points are there, beta. Like this. Ana, multiple points are there. So we have to compare from here to here and here to here, and then we will give an answer. Okay, beta? So basically when we see here what is happening, here what is happening, so multiple points will be there, and then we'll be getting the answer. Like if you see this slope is positive and over a slope will be 0, then here at this point it will be more. So multiple points ko we will be have to compare. So better than that, what we do easily over here with this method. Okay, beta, this is the method to do. Ab now let's do one more way. Shall we do one more? So over here in these questions we are comparing slopes. Now kya hai? Comparison of magnitude of slope. Now guys, the concept that is coming for us is to do which one, beta? Magnitude of slope. That is the important one next. This is your another important topic that is going to come in front of you. We have to now compare what, beta? We have to compare now magnitude of slope. ठीक है, only what? Magnitude. Magnitude मतलब without sign. मतलब without sign. Now we don't have to see signs. Now we don't have to see what, beta? Signs. We have to just compare the magnitude. Magnitude मतलब only value we have to compare. ठीक है? Only value we have to compare. हाँ, numerical value comparison you can say, है ना? We can see which value comparison, numerical value comparison. So that will be their topic next. So till now what we have done. So in the understanding of slope, I hope it would be very clear to you कि what we did first. We did like this. Tell me what is the slope? Positive. Then we did 0. Then we did negative. Right? We understood how to find the value also. Then we understood how to find the value also. Right, bache? Then moving forward, what we did, we compared slopes also. Which value is more, which value is less, are they equal? And then what we also did, we took the ratio of slopes also. Hana beta? Then tarvata what we did for curved surface also. So different 4 curved surfaces are there, shapes are there for that. But till now we have discussed slope with sign, comparison slope with sign. Now moving forward, what you will study? Comparison of magnitude of slope. And this is a point that we will start in next lecture. And then after this topic, we will study straight line, circle, parabola, all of these things. Okay? So in the next lecture, what we are going to start with, comparison of magnitude of slope, and then we will move forward your straight line, circle, parabola. So if guys, you will be well versed with the slope concept, slope concept, then bache, you will be able to understand this thing, parabola thing, hyperbola thing super easily. The main part is to understand is what only beta? Comparison. Sahi to hai bhai. Is to understand about the slope. Then it will be super easy for you all. Okay? So with that, today lecture I am going to be ending over here. Okay? And then, people are saying, sir, we don't know time is over. Wow. People are saying, sir, please continue for some more minutes. Oh, wow. Thank you for your love. Matlab, you were not having that feeling that you are watching time. So wonderful, guys. So wonderful. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Wow. But I understand the limitation of time, guys. We have a next teacher which is waiting for you all. Divya ma'am, Anna beta. So what you do, go quickly, have little bit of milk or snacks. Okay, beta? If this spelling is wrong, so let it be wrong only. Okay? I am here to teach physics, not English. Okay? Chalo yaar. Thank you so much, Rupa. Thank you, guys. Thank you. If you want to contact me, obviously, as you are asking, you can contact me over here, guys. Okay? But the best way to contact me will be to come quickly in the campus. Okay? Come quickly in the campus so that we all can enjoy, understand, learn physics very quickly, guys. Okay? So in the next class, we are going to start with comparison of magnitude of slope, and then tarvata we will move on to your straight line. Okay? Then tarvata we will move quickly to your circle, hyperbola, parabola very easily. Important will be to make your concepts clear over here. Okay? Chalo. So basically that's all for the day. Thank you for all being in the class, guys. Okay? I guess today's scanner I'm not able to see over here, guys. Chalo. That's all for the day, guys. Bye everyone. Bye bye. Have a good day. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Ta-da.